If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Only the current primary admin can transfer the role of primary admin to another user. The user to whom the primary admin role is transferred must be an active company admin user with a valid email account. There can only be one primary admin user per company file. The existing primary admin becomes a company admin upon relinquishing the primary admin role. To transfer the primary admin role to an existing user who has the company admin role, click the Settings button in the QuickBooks Online toolbar. Then, click the Manage Users link under the Your Company heading in the menu to show the Users tab of the Manage Users page. Then find the current company admin to whom to transfer the primary admin role within the list of users. Click the drop-down under the Action column within that user's row, and then select the Make Primary Admin command. In the pop-up confirmation window that then opens, click the Change Primary Admin button to confirm the change, or click the Cancel button to cancel the change. Remember to click the Subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.